Y'all, so today we're making the chopped cheese slider recipe. I got this recipe from a TikTok user named Day Cuisine. Shout out to her because this was delicious. Thank you. And so we're just gonna jump right into it. Right now I am chopping up my onions. And I put my meat on the stove. And one thing about me, I do not eat beef. I eat turkey meat, and that's how I like it, as for me and my household. So I'm adding my chopped onions to my meat mixer. And one thing about it, I'm going to add my good girlfriend grill mates. And I believe it's garlic and herb flavor. I use it on everything. I absolutely love that seasoning. And we're going to add my onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley to the mix. My good girlfriend, Day Cuisine, did not use this many seasonings, but as for me and my household, this is what we do. This is how we like it. Y'all, after this video, I lost my onion powder and my garlic powder. I'm out. Like, I don't understand why my things walk away from me. I don't understand it. But anyways, I use Velveeta cheese to put with that mixture. And now I'm putting this mixture on top of my buns. And I did put those in the oven to get my bread toasted. And yes, I put them in there for a long time, so it was a little dark, but it was so delicious. It gave it a crunch that I really did appreciate. So now I am making my mac sauce, if you will. I'm going to add mayo, ketchup, barbecue sauce, mustard, and pickle relish. Day Cuisine, I believe she used a pickle and she cut it up with pickle juice. I like pickle relish. So we getting everything in a bowl. We're gonna mix it up, and it's gonna be delicioso. So after I put my meat on my buns, I put that cheese that you saw, and I put it in the oven to broil so I can give that perfect melt to it. And I added my buns back to it, and there you go, y'all. This was so delicious. Shout out to her. Somebody make this and tag me and let me know how it was, girl, because I know it was good.